Hi, welcome to this playlist where we will discuss Python concepts in depth. So let's begin with an overview of this course. What you will learn. You will learn fundamental Python concepts. Use these concepts to create Python projects and learn how to solve Python computer science problems. These are very important in CS job interviews. Why should you learn Python? Essentially, Python is a simple language to learn. It's very popular and it's used worldwide. It's also good for job opportunities. Python is a high-level language which makes it easy to learn. Over here, these are lower-level languages. Where can you learn Python? There are many online resources available to help you learn Python. For example, CodeHS is a very good website. And there's Khan Academy, BYU Independent Study, Code Academy, Stanford's Python Reader, W3 Schools, and of course, this channel. Okay, so that was the end of our overview. Thank you for watching and have a great day.